Last time we already finished the game loop with start screen and in-game screen. We will do game over in the later video. And in the start screen, we already know how to create a UGUI text and the UGUI button to load the in-game screen, then allow us to come back with the home screen from the in-game. So today we are continuing to work on the in-game screen for the input touch. This is the most important part, and this is related to the gameplay. What's this input touch for? This input touch is for you or for the user to tap on the screen to break the object. And this object will be damaged based on the object's HP. So after the HP down to 0, game over. That's a simple rule for the gameplay right now. So I think in this video we will focus on the input touch first. And the HP we will do that later. Also the game over. So right now let's go into the in-game screen. So in the in-game screen, like we said, we need to create a input touch. So let's create let's create the prefab first. For this one, and GUI control home for this two. And we change the in-game background to black. And move this in-game title up a little bit. And we change to the brighter color like this. And we change the text to level 1. So let's put level 1 in the top. And let's align this one to the top of the screen for the anchor. So when we do that, we move up a little bit. So when we do that, no matter what kinds of resolution, is always aligned to the top. Let's try iPhone tall. iPhone tall. Try going back to the iPhone 5 wide. Okay, looks pretty good. And we hide the home button right now. We will only need this one when game is over. So right now we can create a input touch real quick. Let me see. For the input touch, let's put it in here. That's easier to read. So for the input touch, it allows you to tap the object and break it on your mobile device, no matter it's iOS or Android. And we will use Raycast to achieve this. For the Raycast, we need a collider. So let's going back to the game. And we can create a quick cube for now. Let's create a cylinder first. 3D cylinder, and put in the 0 in the center, and then make it a little bit bigger, like this, maybe more. Okay, and then move up a little bit in the center visually. Okay, so that will be our object to break. Save it again right now. Let's create a new script, C# script called TapToBreak. This is the most important script in the game. Let's open this one in the Molo developer. So let's take a, my laptop is really slow, but it's okay. Okay, it's open right now. So like we said, we need to use this one to create a input touch by using the Raycast. So therefore you want to do something in here by using the Raycast. We need to create several variables here, like the Raycast hit. And the other one, private, is the okay. We'll come back for this. So let's go to the update first. So let's write a couple lines of code in here. So Ray, let's create a variable in here, the camera dot main dot screen to screen point to Ray, and then we put the input mouse position. End of this line, and then we put the if statement in here. If the input get mouse button down. We put 0 in here and do something. So what we are going to do is another if statement. If physics Raycast ray out hit math if infinity means if a user tap on the screen and we shoot out the ray to the infinite distance to detect if it collides with something. This is really annoying in here. It's fine. So we can put the debug.log for now. And I put a hit if it hits something. So let's going back to the game. We hit the command K to build a script. See if it has an arrow. Unexpected. Oh, we forgot another. Break it. Not break it. This symbol. So okay, no arrows. That's good. So if we play the game right now, and we click on the cylinder, there's nothing happen. That's because we need to do something else. For this, because this is a 3D object, and the Raycast is based on something which is the not only the collider. We need to do something more. So let's give another physics rigid body, but we don't need the gravity for here. So let's try again. Oh, we forgot to drag this one. We can put it under the main camera. And let's try again. See? So we got this one. If we click something, it will shoot the ray to something to collide. So if it's in the background, nothing to collide, so it won't show anything. So before we were saying we need to add a rigid body. Let's see if we remove this one, what will happen. Okay, it's still running. Yeah, sometimes it's still running. But anyway, Oh yeah, for the Raycast it's still running. I was wrong. I just misunderstanding with other stuff. My memory was kind of not right. So anyway, if we want, we can put a tag on this object, and this allows you to tap on different object and to distinguish the object to break. So right now, if we want to put a different tag, we can do things like this. Another if statement. And remember, we have a hit variable, and we're using the collider tag in here, and make it equal to let's say cylinder in here, and the cylinder hit. And don't forget, we need to copy this tag and put in here. Cylinder, and reassign this one to cylinder. So save this project. Let's try again. Cylinder hit. So if we create another object, let's say cube on the side, and it's supposed not respond to anything, see? Because it doesn't have the tag. So that's the touch input. Let's see what else we can do in this video. Okay, I think in this video it's good for now. So next thing we are going to do might be the HP. Thanks for watching.